Hey everyone, if you're sending money internationally, you've probably heard of Remitly and Wise, but which one actually saves you money? Today, I'm breaking down the real differences so you can make the smart choice. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. First, the basics. Wise, formerly TransferWise, uses the mid-market exchange rate with transparent, upfront fees. It's designed for anyone who values cost clarity, whether you're sending money for personal or business use. You also get a multi-currency account and debit card to hold 40 plus currencies. Remitly, on the other hand, focuses on remittances, sending money home to family. It offers flexible delivery options like cash pickup, mobile wallets, and bank deposits. Plus, you can choose between express transfers that arrive in minutes or economy transfers that take 3 to 5 days but cost less. Now, the real comparison. Let's start with exchange rates. Wise uses the mid-market rate, the real rate you'd see on Google, with no markup. What you see is what you get. Remitly adds a markup to the exchange rate, typically between 0.5% to 3%, depending on the currency and amount. This means your recipient might get less money even if the transfer fee looks low. Speaking of fees, Wise starts at around 0.41% with full transparency. You calculate the exact cost before you send. Remitly's fees vary wildly by country, amount, and speed. Economy transfers might be fee-free over a certain amount, but express transfers can cost anywhere from $1.99 to $4.99 per transaction. And if you pay with a credit card, add another 3% on top. For transfer speed, both are fast. Wise transfers usually arrive within minutes to 24 hours. Remitly Express can deliver in minutes, while economy takes 3 to 5 business days. So if speed is critical and you're okay paying more, Remitly Express works. But remember, faster doesn't always mean better value. Here's the kicker: delivery options. Wise focuses on bank-to-bank transfers. That's it. Remitly, however, supports cash pickup, mobile wallets, and even home delivery in some countries. If your recipient doesn't have a bank account, Remitly wins here hands down. On limits, Wise lets you send up to $1 million per wire transfer, and they discount large amounts over $25,000. Remitly caps transfers at $25,000 from the US, $30,000 to India, which might feel restrictive if you're sending big amounts. Finally, customer satisfaction. Wise has a Trustpilot score of 4.4 out of 5 based on 270,000 reviews. Users love the transparency, but some report account closures without notice. Remitly scores 4.6 out of 5 from nearly 100,000 reviews, with praise for reliability but complaints about delayed transfers during peak times. Bottom line, choose Wise if you want the best exchange rate, transparent pricing, and you're sending to a bank account. It's the smarter choice for cost-conscious users and larger transfers. Choose Remitly if you need flexible payout options like cash pickup, or if your recipient doesn't have a bank account. Just be aware of those exchange rate markups and varying fees. For most people, sending bank to bank, Wise will save you more money, but if delivery flexibility matters, Remitly is worth considering. That's it. I've dropped comparison links in the description so you can calculate your exact transfer costs. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-saving comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.